I chose the Occupational Therapy program at EHOVE because I thought this would be a good choice to advance my career path. You will learn fine motor skills, gross motor skills, and the difference between them, ADLs and IADLs, which pertain to daily activities. Hey guys, what are you learning how to do?
Range of motion.
Ooh, fun! You will learn mobility, stability, any occupation that someone does throughout their day, and these are just a few of the specific things that we learn at our time in this program. Hey guys, what are you learning how to do?
Bathtub transfer.
My favorite part about this program is that it is very hands-on. Some of the hands-on activities that we learn how to do in this class are e-stims, ultrasounds, and transfers. You can work in facilities such as schools, hospitals, outpatient clinics, skilled nursing facilities, home health, and travel.
I love EHOVE because of all the new opportunities I've been given.
This program at EHOVE offers an associate's degree level. With this program, we gain knowledge and experience from fieldwork. We complete fieldwork in pediatrics, mental health, and physical dysfunction. You should come to EHOVE because it's an affordable option to build your skills. Your future, your career.